This video is on interpolation, and we're going to use it for determine activity coefficients. You have a table in your book on page 166 that deals with activity coefficients with mean ionic strength. Now what this is, interpolation, is estimating by use of a straight line between 2 points. Here's my XY points. And usually in us, we're going to have mu down here, mean ionic strength, and activity coefficient here. And I'll label this 0.01 and 0.05 out here. And we have these 2 points in our table. We want to be able to get points along this line here, anywhere along there. And so we start out by obtaining our data. So I'll make a little table. I look up. What I want to do is I want to find the activity coefficient for magnesium plus 2 at mu equal 0.02. So when I look in my book, I'll make a little table, 0.1, 0.2, and 3. Mu is 0.01 and 0.05. These are given in the book, and I'm after 0.02. And activity coefficient is 0.69. I don't know this one at 0.02, and it's 0.52. Now what I do is I estimate, I use the form of a straight line, and I estimate using the slope. So I want to determine the slope for this. And it doesn't matter how you do it, y over x or x over y. I don't even pay attention. And in fact, I use the absolute value of the slope. So the slope is going to be, let's do mu1 minus mu2 divided by alpha 1 minus alpha 2. And since I'm taking the absolute value, it won't matter in the order. This is 0.05 minus 0.01. I do it the easy way, divided by 0.69 minus 0.52, and I get out of this, remember I took the absolute value, so the order doesn't really matter when you do that. I get 0.2353 mu units over alpha units. Notice this is mu units up here, and these are alpha units down here because I'm on alpha and mu for those. All right. Once I get the slope, it's really, really easy. I'm going to go from this point and I'm going to calculate the difference. So I'm going to calculate delta mu, okay? And I'm going to use it to calculate this delta. So my delta mu that I'm interested in is 0.02 minus 0.01 equal 0.01 mu units. And I'll take at 0.01 mu units at delta, and I'll convert it to alpha units, 0.2353 mus divided by alpha. And that's just conversion factors. That's how I'm treating this. Get 0.235 alpha units. Now, all I got to do is add or subtract to my 0.69. In this case, I just look at it. I never worry about the signs. I just look at 0.69 and see that it's decreasing as I go in that direction. So I'm going to take 0.69 and subtract 0.2353 from it, and that gives me my answer of 0.6475 is alpha 2. Okay, now what I did was I took this and calculated the distance from this point to this point and from here to here. Okay, it's really easy to do. You need to be able to do it when it happens.